Today is our move-in day, I think. Oh, what did I do to deserve this? That's good. Oh my god, I'm nervous. Hi guys. Today is our move-in day, I think. So me and Julio got an I got a shot. You can't see it. I got my second dose today. It's been a while. I should have gotten this a long time ago. But that's just gonna stay there for now, so don't mind that. But we are moving into our apartment today. I want to do a little empty apartment tour, and then we're gonna clean it and then move in our stuff. I have all of these things back here. So these two things we got from a client today. We were cleaning her house and she told us that we can just take it if we wanted to, and if not, like, they're gonna take it to Goodwill. So I was like, no. That's something that we needed, and so it worked out perfectly, and it's super cute. And yeah, I'm so excited. Okay guys, we signed all the paperwork. Julio's here. Say hi to the vlog. We're gonna do a little reveal, because I don't know what it looks like. We only saw pictures. Oh. Nanda got bit by a spider yesterday, so her lip is swollen. You want to show them? Oh, it's like way better right now. I think it's here. Oh my god, I'm nervous. Okay. Oh, what the heck is that? So cute. Oh, okay, this is the bathroom. Oh wait, what the heck? I don't know how to feel. This is our room, right?
Yeah.
Oh, it connects to you. Is this our walk-in closet? Oh, it's pretty big.
What it is.
The lighting here is good.
It's not bad.
I feel like with furniture it's gonna look way better. I don't like this area. Like, what the heck is this? It looks like I'm at a store. I don't know what we're gonna do here. Well, maybe take this out?
No.
I don't know.
Nothing is here. I'm about to move everything right now. Yeah.
There's a washing machine.
Dishwasher.
Wait, is that where the
Pantry, I think is. Right?
the washer maybe? Wait. Okay, yeah, it's the washing machine. I was gonna be like, we have a pantry? I thought this was gonna be tan. This is so much better than what I thought. Welcome.
What the heck? This is nice.
Wow.
This is like super spacious.
Hi. Oh my
it's a
goodness.
Brazil jersey.
Oh wow. Bonito.
Like you were asking, can I go on that side?
It's the next day. Yesterday we got our apartment. Sorry, the AC thing is so loud in this room. I'm gonna go to the apartment today and like show you guys everything. I want to do like a little tour of our little apartment and show you guys the things that we have so far there. I think today or tomorrow Julio's gonna pick up the couch because one of our friends gifted it to us. I don't know if the colors match, but honestly, like, that's not really a big issue right now. I'm just trying to have our things ready and good for us to live in, so color and like things like that don't really matter right now. But of course I do want everything to be like cohesive a little bit at least, so I'm trying to like either paint things or like just work my way around things. I'll show you guys in the house. Today, me and my mom are going to buy cleaning supplies today so we can clean the apartment and all of that, but that will be in a different video. So I want to do like a whole separate one, like cleaning and deep cleaning the house with us. And yeah, I'm so excited. Okay guys, so we filled up the car again. So here it's not too packed, but in the back it's all filled. And we're on our way. I have some things on my lap too. But yeah, I didn't eat anything, but I'm not hungry. I think I'm just too excited. I have some water and yeah, we'll figure it out. Gas break. We got the goods. Is yours good? My mom likes the TikTok, the white chocolate mocha, sweet cream cold foam, and extra caramel. I got a caramel macchiato. Literally, that's the only thing I get because I don't like to try new things and then not like it. So this is a caramel macchiato with almond milk in a triple shot, and it's iced. Yeah, I don't want to try it and then waste like $5 and just like throw it away. Like, no thank you.
It's good.
Yeah? Yay! That's good.
$20.
I spent like 20 bucks. Okay guys, so I'm gonna end off this video, but I wanted to end it off with a little like actual tour of the house. Yesterday I did it, but it was just like, we were all over the place. It was our first time seeing the apartment, and I don't know, I feel like it was really crazy and not explained well enough. So I'm gonna do another one. It's not really empty anymore, but you can like kind of, it's kind of empty. So little empty apartment tour. So right here we have so many things. This little area, I have no idea why they have this. It's like super ratchet to me, but my mom came in yesterday and she was like, no, these things come off, so I can just like put them away, and then whenever we move out we can put it back, because it's just like so random, and it's better to have a mirror than like some shelves. I don't know, I'm still debating on what to do with it, so we'll see. And I bought like little Bath and Body Works scented thing, so I put that here and then one in the office. But this is our little area. Let me like come out here so you guys can see. So this is the door, and then you come in and you see a little outside area. I'll show you guys that as well. But our couch is gonna be right there, so try to picture it without everything. And this was actually this lady that we know. She was just giving it away because I guess she got a new one, and there was some boxes here. I didn't like the boxes, they were kind of dirty, so I just, my mother-in-law wanted them. I don't know, like she's gonna do something with them. So she took the 2 boxes. I might add some boxes. I've seen some at TJ Maxx, like cute little black boxes, or like, I don't know, I'm still like debating on what to put there, but it's gonna look cute at the end. I really want to keep it black and white. Oh, this is something that my aunt made for me. We were just like looking at the things. And then this knob, I want to go to like Home Depot or something and get like a black one to like match the things that I'm gonna put on top. And then our TV, this was actually, I put it in a different vlog, but I haven't posted it yet. So my really close friend when we were little, like we literally grew up together, Kathleen, if you're watching this, thank you so much. But her mom was like a second mom to me. And so there was like a raffle going on, and they were doing it for this girl that we know that she has cancer, and they were just raising up money for her. So the raffle was you win a TV, and so my mom put my name down. We didn't win, but they won, and I was like, oh my god, that's so cool, like you know, like happy for them. And then whenever I went to go do my lashes, she surprised me outside with the TV, and I'm just like, what the heck, like how, like why, what did I do to deserve this? But yeah, so it's a Roku TV. It's pretty big, and we're gonna try to hang it up. If not, we're gonna put it on the TV, like we're just gonna put it on this. But yeah, like I'm so thankful and like so grateful for like literally everything that we've been gifted. It's so many things, and it's like so crazy how like God is literally taking care of every little detail, and I'm just like, what the heck. But yeah, don't mind all of the crap in the back. So yeah, this is the living room, and then you come into a little like hallway type thing, and then in this hallway there's a little door, little closet. I'm thinking of putting cleaning supplies like the vacuum. This thing I got to put like brooms, mops, maybe like a Swiffer. It can like hang things as well. So it's gonna be really helpful. And then once you leave this little closet, it's the little hallway. This is like those energy things, I don't know, like the AC and all of that. And then here, your first room to the right is our office. So me and Julio are gonna share. I don't know what that is. Like, I think we might have to paint the room. But it's really nice, has like a lot of good lighting, so perfect for some videos. Like, look at this, it's so good. I'm really happy about the lighting. Well, at night there's literally no lighting, so we're gonna have to buy some lamps and stuff, but that's like not an issue, like that's okay. But daytime lighting, it's super good. And so we have this little like lake view, and then right over here there's a door and you can go outside to like little patio area. But yeah, then there's a closet. I have like my makeup drawers that I didn't really want to put out here because the room is already small enough, and so I might put it in here and just like use it. I don't know, maybe, we'll see. Coming out of this room, you see the bathroom to the left. Okay, I was expecting way worse, so I'm pretty happy about this. So there's some storage spaces on the bottom. There's like this little like medicine thing. And then right behind the door, there's another closet, which I was so excited about. Like, I'm so happy there's a lot of storage space. Here, there's a toilet. Okay, so there's another door, so person's using the bathroom. This person could still be washing their hands, which is cool. The bathroom with the toilet and the shower. And so this can be closed as well, and one person can be in here while using this like area, or we can close this and then this goes directly into our room. So there's like a whole other set of this. So like the storage, mirror, all of that. So this is the little overview of our room. We have, I think it's like some forest or something behind here. Yeah, but it's really good lighting as well. So I'm really glad about that everywhere because, you know, I can make some videos and like talk to you guys, and it's gonna be super nice. There's actually a noise in here. I think it comes from that box. I don't know what that is, like some electricity box, I don't know. But the lighting in here is really yellow. This is our closet. It's pretty spacious. It came with this like box thing, which is really cool for our shoes. So one side is my side, one side's Julio's side. Coming out of the rooms, see the big mess. Then so like to the door, like to the left of the door is the kitchen area. So the kitchen and the bathroom have the vinyl flooring, which is really pretty. But yeah, this table we got yesterday. My aunt was just giving it away, so then I was like, hey, I mean, I'm gonna try it out. We are going to paint over it because the ride here was really bad. It was in the back of my dad's truck, and she's like, yeah, no, we can paint over it and like do that. So that's what we're gonna do later on. Next to it is the kitchen area. So my mom is like over here cleaning up and like getting the boxes out and like just taking everything out of the boxes. So it's pretty messy, but you guys can get the little overview. So fridge, we literally have 2 water bottles. And then like we have some cabinet space, and then the stove. We finally have a dishwasher. I was so excited about this. Okay, we have freaking ants, and they are coming to like do all of the whatever it's called. Like they're gonna like put the medicine and stuff in here, the bug spray, and like spray down the whole house because we literally came here yesterday and there were so many ants. I was like, what the heck? And she's like, oh my god, I didn't see that. I texted her right away. I was like, hey, so like I'm looking around and I just saw some ants. Like, I don't know, she told me to tell her anything. And so she's like, yeah, okay. And then she brought over a guy, he sprayed it down, and then Monday they're coming in and like cleaning up the whole apartment. So I'm like excited about that, to get all of the freaking ants away. And then what I'm so excited about, we have a pantry. I didn't expect us to have a pantry because my aunt lived here before and she didn't have one, so she'd literally have to use like cabinets and stuff. So I'm so happy that we have that. And then last but not least, we have this door, and this goes into the laundry. So what I was thinking, I want to get like a little, I don't know, like a thing that says laundry, or like a sign to cover this. And then the things go up here, and then this is where I think the washer and dryer goes. We still have to buy a washer and dryer because it didn't come with the apartment, so that is something on the to-do list. Yeah, that is basically it for today's video. So excited. I'm so like excited to show you guys everything. I have vlogged so much before this, but I just wanted to upload something that's like frequent and like real in my life right now. So you guys will see this in a few days, but I'm so excited about this, and me and Julio can't wait to move in. And I'm so excited to make all these videos and vlogs in this house. But yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed coming along and I don't know, just sharing. I'm excited to be sharing this exciting stuff with you guys. Thank you guys so much for watching. I love you guys so much. I miss you. These past couple of weeks have been so busy and so like all over the place, but I'm so glad to be back and editing and like talking to you guys and all of that. So I hope you guys are excited too. But yeah, I love you guys so much. Bye guys.